Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to off this name password setting in your Vivo phone. Guys, you want to off this screen lock name password, so as you can off. And friends, now let's see how to off this name password in Vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So friends, let's see how to off this name password. First of all, open your setting guys. Guys, click on the security setting. Guys, click on screen lock and guys enter your password guys which you have now. Guys, click on swipe option and guys remove. So as now you can see guys, we don't have any name password in our Vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to off name password in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now friends, we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon. Bye bye friends.